Welcome to this practical guide on Amazon Bedrock. We will cover architecture diagrams, code examples, and best practices for building AI solutions on the AWS AI platform. This video is categorized under the AWS AI platform and is estimated to take between 45 and 75 minutes. We will cover 4 modules: building Bedrock Agents, implementing Guardrails for responsible AI, utilizing knowledge bases and RAG, and finally, setting up and making API calls. Let's review the Amazon Bedrock request pipeline. The application initiates the request using the AWS SDK, which hits the Bedrock runtime. This is followed by Bedrock Guardrails for content filtering, before reaching the foundation model like Claude, Titan, or Nova. The response is then returned and logged in services like CloudWatch and S3. We begin with Module 1, building Bedrock Agents on the AWS AI platform. Bedrock Agents are autonomous AI workflows that plan and execute multi-step tasks. The agent architecture includes a foundation model for reasoning, instructions to define the agent's role, and action groups, which are Lambda functions the agent can invoke to interact with external APIs. When a user sends a query, the agent analyzes the request, decides which actions to take, and calls action groups or knowledge bases as needed. Next, we move to Module 2, Guardrails for responsible AI on the AWS AI platform. Bedrock Guardrails are configurable safety filters that evaluate user inputs and model outputs against your policies. Components include content filters for harmful categories, denied topics, and word filters for blocking specific phrases. Module 3 focuses on knowledge bases and RAD within the AWS AI platform. Bedrock knowledge bases provide managed retrieval augmented generation that automatically handles ingestion, chunking, embedding, and indexing of your data. Supported data sources include Amazon S3 files, Confluence wiki pages, and SharePoint documents. Different chunking strategies, like fixed size, hierarchical, and semantic, are available. Our final module, Module 4, covers setting up and making API calls on the AWS AI platform. To enable model access, navigate to Amazon Bedrock in the AWS console, select Model Access, and choose the models you wish to enable. For real-time output, utilize the Streaming API. The Amazon Bedrock architecture stack is built from the bottom up. At the base is AWS Security, followed by Bedrock Runtime and features like Guardrails. On top are Bedrock Agents, and finally, your application logic for orchestration. Best practices include using the Converse API for multi-turn chat and enabling Bedrock Guardrails. Avoid common mistakes like using root AWS credentials and manually chunking large documents. This code snippet demonstrates using the Bedrock Converse API with streaming, a production-ready pattern for real-time output that is easy to copy, adapt, and extend. In summary, Amazon Bedrock is a core competency for modern AI engineering. Remember to understand the architecture first, build security in from day one, and optimize for your most critical constraints like latency, cost, and quality.